Welcome to Block 7. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the BlackCliff House, a remarkable architectural masterpiece by Mcleod Bovell Modern Houses. Perched on a granite cliff 40 meters above the shoreline, this home is located in West Vancouver, Canada. Built in 2019, BlackCliff House is not just an architectural marvel, but also a meaningful gathering place for a family dispersed across continents. Strategically located on Canada's west coast, the site serves as an ideal meeting point for the homeowner's family. The house is designed to accommodate a variety of living arrangements, from intimate settings for a small family to large gatherings for extended relatives. With the breathtaking Salish Sea to the west and natural light from the southwest, BlackCliff House masterfully connects its occupants to the surrounding environment. The house's design is guided by two primary axes. The first axis focuses on the southwest views and natural light, while the second follows the steep contours of the terrain leading to the sea. The intersection of these two elements creates a dynamic spatial geometry, most evident at the junction of the main and upper floors, forming a central void in the middle of the site. On the upper floor, the bedrooms are designed for warmth and privacy for a smaller family unit, while the house's wings can accommodate larger groups. These areas are linked by an outdoor terrace, creating a shared space for family bonding. A central circulation spine runs through the house, optimizing natural light and providing stunning vertical views. The main floor focuses on living spaces connected by outdoor and auxiliary areas. Some standout features include a painting room that appears to float above a reflecting pond near the entrance, a bamboo courtyard bringing a serene natural element into the family room, an office and tea room located at opposite ends of the main circulation path. These courtyards are designed to bring light and fresh air into the deeply layered spaces without obstructing views or natural illumination. One of BlackCliff House's most unique aspects is its spatial experience, both familiar and slightly disorienting in the best way. The design thoughtfully balances the steep terrain's natural orientation with off-axis spaces that embrace light and views, creating essential and intimate areas deeply connected to the outdoors. BlackCliff House is a testament to how architectural design can harmonize with nature, creating spaces that are not only stunning but also meaningful for its inhabitants. Thank you for exploring this extraordinary project with Block 7. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home designs. See you in the next video.